Hello and welcome. This is my third video on learners merit list. So in this one we want to create a worksheet change. That is, if marks changes in this sheet 1, then automatically marks changes in sheet 3, or that is, the marks changes dynamically, and also the position changes if marks is increased or marks is reduced. So without further ado, let us go to the Visual Basic editor. We create that code. So press Alt F11 and then here, so previously we had this code, so we want to create another code here. So that is in sheet 1. So click on worksheet, then change. So this is a change event. So if anything changes in sheet 1, then the macro here will run. So this macro code that we used previously in part 2. So let us create the code here. So here we shall say if application dot intersect our target comma range. So we check which range is that. So that is if marks changes here. So we have English up to electricity, so that is D3 to J17, then the marks will change in this worksheet. So we go back to the Visual Basic editor and we continue coding. So that is, here we say put quotes D3, then colons J17, then close the quotes, close the bracket, then close the bracket again, then you say is nothing, then do nothing. So do nothing. So this is not a code, so you can write anything here. So that's why I've remarked out with an apostrophe. So then else, if there is any changes, so we call the macro. So we call this macro code. So merit list. So you copy that, then you paste here. So you say call that macro code, then end if, and that is it. So now if anything changes in sheet 1, so then sheet 3 will automatically change. But if you clear the marks, we may have an error because this depends on this marks and the serial number here. So therefore maybe we can create an error handler in the macro code here. So we say on error resume next, and that is it. So let us go to sheet 1. So we select one of this learner. So for example, we select Victoria here. So we change the 3 marks in the 3 subjects. So we put, for example, 100, then 100, and then 100. So if you check in the other worksheet, so Victoria's marks will change to 100. So we look for Victoria here. So you can see it is 100, 100, 100. So let us look at Duncan, the last person here, and maybe we change physics, chemistry and electricity. So you can see it is 82, 41, 77. So we also put it at 100. So we look for Duncan. So that is here. Change the marks to 100, then 100, and then 100. And then we observe here. So that is for Duncan. So you can see the marks have changed. So maybe to view the marks side by side, maybe we can use the camera. So click on Home tab, then select Camera, and then we put the picture here of the camera. So remove this, go to sheet 3 and select everything here, and then enter. So now we have it here. So that is, this is sheet 3 being observed by the camera. So maybe you can adjust it so that we can see everything. So adjust here. And then now observe the marks changing in sheet 3. So we select, for example, Faith. So you can see Faith is in what position. So we can observe here she is in position 4. So we put everything to 100. So we select all these, we put 100. So observe the Faith's marks changing. So you can see the marks have changed. So here you can see the marks changing. So just observe here, so you will see the marks changing. So all the marks are 100, and you can see now it is all are 700. So maybe we clear all the marks. So clear all the marks here. So delete. So here it also changes. And then we input new marks. So we can use a function known as rand array to create new marks. So here in the rand array we need the rows. So it is asking for how many rows. So there are 15. The columns are 7. Then minimum mark we can take 45, maximum mark 100, and we take the integer. So we select true, or we just type 1, then close bracket and enter. So you can see the marks changing dynamically. Then we remove the formula by saying Control C, then Control Alt V, select, then press V to get values, then enter. And then you can see the marks changing. So that is, now Wendy is position 1 with 578. So if you check Wendy here, the total marks is 178. You can also check her details. So, and the details here, and so on. So that is how we create a dynamic change using the Visual Basic editor. So thank you for watching my video, and see you in my next videos.